Sean Cabuso. Number 0,
I
Sam.
like that.
Number 30, Valerio. And number 8, Camilo. For Swiss Movies, number 40, Aldama. Number 00, Mata. Number 17, Ugod. Number 19, Santos. And number 6 is Dila. This is week 5, third game between Taxmart and Swiss Movies. First possession belongs to Taxmart. Canino from deep, no good. Rebound Mata. Geraton Utama. Santos, low to the good. Santo Cabusa. Santo Canino. Valerio. He gets double team. Hands foul on number 11, Ogod. First personal foul, first team foul. Baseline throw-in for Taxmart. Valerio to Cabusa. To Canino. Tan with the ball. Stanley cans the corner play. Mata. Top of the game play. Yes, sir! Moving dribble for Mark Mata. Stanley to Stan. Tan. No good in the corner 3. Rebound is Gera. 5-3 in favor of Swiss Movies. Stolen by Tan. Tan. Coast to go short on the layup. Rebound Mata. Mata to Gera, wide open three, overshoot, Canino with the board. Canino forward pass, mistaken Cabusa, coast to coast to Rodea. Deadlock by ball. Mata to Gera. Ogod to Gera. Last touch on the red shirts. Possession stays with Swiss Movies. Now Sama cans the corner play. 8-5 in favor of Swiss Movies. Valerio to Cabusa. Cabusa corner play. Never rebound is Gera. Is Gera our leader, rebounding leader? Ogod number 2, in and out, rebound Stanley. Stanley spins, shot no good, rebounding Zafir, Valerio, one shot, rebound Santos, broke away by Valerio, recovered by Stanley. Stanley, gone back to the basket, and one. Foul was on Swiss Movies. Number 19, Santos. First personal foul, second team foul. Stanley, chance for an and one. Bonus meters no good for Stanley. Rebound is Gera. Gera to Aldama. Santos floater is good. Great ball movement. Swiss Movies. Stanley. Spin to Valerio. Sabang na kay Troy. No good. Rebound Stanley. Put back no good. Rebound Sam. Put back by Sam is good. Chance from deep. In and out. Last touch on red shirts. Possession, Swiss Movies. Santos to Ogod. Inbound play of the pass. What a pass by Santos to Ogod. 12-9 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Stanley, tama ka kay Gray short, rebound Mata. Sorry, it's Eldama. It's Gerard to Eldama. Eldama from deep. Yes, sir! Eldama, back-to-back three-pointers. 6-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Stand to Sean. Sean stealing baseline for an easy two. Sweet move by Sean Kabusa. Mata to Esguerra. Esguerra to Mata. Mata, top of the head, no good. Esguerra with a defensive board. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages, possession tax mark. Sabrap, sab. All good for Javier. Josh Tan running the point for tax mark. Valerio swings it to Canino from deep. Too strong. Javier secures the board. Poked away by Sean Kabusa. Esguerra, Tomata, cross-court pass to Tama, long turnover, good, rebound, and submit. Stanley, top screen, brother Sean. Forward pass to the stick in time, the transition layup. It's just a 2-point lead for Swiss Mortgages. 15-13 is the score. Mata, under duress. Mata, bounce pass to Esguerra, sweet time by Mata to Esguerra. One of our assist leaders in our season. Sean takes, drives, he scores! What a shot by Sean Kabusa. 15-17 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Next subject. Esguerra to Mata. Mata to Eldama from deep. No good. Rebound secured by Stanley. Stanley sizing up the defense. No good. Rebound 10. Put back by Travis. Good. The small guy with a clean-up job. Tied ball game. 17 apiece. Esguerra driving baseline. Pass to Javier. Short stop, no good. Rebound Eldama. Takes. Pass to Santos. Floater is no good. Rebound Sean. Sean. Strong drive to the basket. For an easy two. And the lead for Taxmark Cafe. Mata, pass to Esguerra. Esguerra against Valerio. Screen by Santos. To Mata, wide open play, short. Rebound is up to Santos. Santos, put back. Uses the middle of the three. Deadlock 17 apiece. Kabusa, bounce it off to his brother Stanley. Spin. Jumper, short, rebound, Santos. Esguerra, forward pass to Mata. Mata, pass to Santos. Santos drives, Santos scores. Stanley to Sean, poked away by Eldama. Possession stays with Taxmark. 21-19 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Sabrep. Canino for Bulao. Sean to Tan. Getting out to the corner third. Rebound Santos. 52 seconds in our first quarter. Mata shoots daylight. Traveling violation committed by Mata. Extra step. Turnover for Swiss Mortgages. 14 seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. Valerio. Screen by Stanley. Jumper overshoots, rebound and substitute time. Changes it around guys, coming by Aldama. Forward pass to Mata for an easy two. Shot clock is off. Foul on number 6 is Guerra. First personal foul, third team foul. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 23 for Swiss Mortgages and 19 for Taxmal. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra to Mata. Mata to Esguerra. To Javier. Javier leading his play. Another rebound ends up with Santos. James Santos in the ball. To Tan. Tan breaks away for a layup. Two-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Dalisay. Guarded by Stanley. To Mata. Mata. To Guerra. To Santos. Baseline J. Money for Mark Santos. Cabusao. To Stanley. No good in the corner to Paghaber. To Mata. Mata to Santos. Santos. Challenge by his brother, but it's disfouled by his brother. Number 13, J.M. Santos. First personal foul, first team foul. Mark Santos will go to the free throw line for two. First free throw is good for Mark. 26-21 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. 2 out of 2 for Mark Santos. 6-point game in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Stanley to Sean. By the baseline, overshoots, rebound. Reach. Esguerra. Santos. Challenge sa dito ng Stanley. No good. Rebound. Bolao. Stanley. Slices to the defense. For an end one. He was denied. Number 10. Who's fouled that? Number 19, Santos. Sabrat. Santos. Second personal foul. First team foul. Santos checks in for Ogod. Bonus free throw for Stanley. Bonus free throw is good for Stan. 3-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Mata. Esguerra. To Javier. Javier, wide open play. In and out. Rebound. Georgetown. To Stanley. Stanley sees daylight. Layup is good for Stanley Cabusao. Lead is cut down to 1. 6 minutes and 52 remaining in the second quarter. 27 for Swiss Mortgages and 26 for Taxmart Cafe. Taxmart Cafe within striking distance. This is a 1-point game. 13 to shoot for Swiss Mortgages. 13 seconds to shoot. Dalisay malimon mo for Swiss Mortgages. Well done. Esguerra with the ball. Tumata. Mata pa Esguerra. Wide open play. Makes them pay. J.M. Balancer, no good, rebound, over. Esguerra with the ball, forward pass to Mata. Mata, no look pass to Dalisay. Dalisay shot, no good, rebound Esguerra. Esguerra, put back is good, return Esguerra. Turnovers, counter steal by Bulao. Stanley goes to the hole. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for another one. Sabrep foul is number 40. Sabrep Aldama first personal foul, second team foul. Chance for Taxmart to move closer. The lead is 4. Bonus free throw is good for Stanley. Cutting down the lead to Trey. 4 minutes and 10 seconds in the second quarter. Esguerra to Mata. Mata pass. Poke away. Stolen by Stanley. Stanley. No look pass to Canillo for a lazy layup. This is a 1-point lead. Stolen by Stanley. Stanley for a fadeaway layup. Layup is good. The lead belongs now to Taxmart Cafe. Eldama, touch pass to Esguerra. Eldama fakes. He's the ball to Esguerra. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 6. Bulaon. First personal foul, second team foul. Sabrep. Valerio for Stanley. 14 to shoot for Swiss Mortgages. Esguerra. For Eldama, dapat makitray. Canillo to Sean. Sean takes it out to Canillo from deep. No good. Long rebound, Valerio. Valerio, scoop pass to Sean. Short on the layup. Rebound Sean. Sean, putback is good. Tied ball game, 31-3. Esguerra, Tumata, Eldama, Esguerra. Esguerra shot, no good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Obot. Loses the handle. Obot to Esguerra. To Dalisay. Dalisay takes. Pass to Obot. Shot by Obot Esguerra. 2-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. What a game. Sean, screen by Bulaon to Tan. Tan split the defense, but he gets fouled. Foul is on number 6. 0, Mata. Blocking foul on Mata. First personal foul, third team foul. Sideline goal. Sideline goal in for Taxmark. A minute and 43 in the second quarter. Canelio. Sizing up ang Dama. Pass! Stolen! Intercepted by Mata. Mata challenges the defense of Valerio. Northern rebound is Guerra. Putback level. Is Guerra there? Putback level. Rebound again is Guerra. He won't be denied. Possession remains with Taxmark. Almost a steal by Ordano. Valerio, pass to Sean inside. Shot is good by Sean Capuso. 2-point game in favor of Chris Morgan. Mata to Esguerra. Back to Mata. Mata to Eldama. Eldama from deep. In and out. Rebound Eldama. Sorry, it's Esguerra. Esguerra from deep. No good. Rebound. Canelio. Canelio, strong right to the basket, from left to layup. Tight ball game, 39 apiece. Ball recovered by Halisay. To Mata. To Ogod. Ogod, long two-pointer is good for Ogod. 8 seconds to shoot, 5 seconds to shoot, 4 seconds to shoot, 3 seconds to shoot, time to beat the buzzer. That's the end of the first half. Official score, 41 for Swiss Morris and 39 for Taxmark Cafe.
This is where players keep the winning position alive. Because we are the Make Good North. Create your forever home and your dream
Okay, back to the ball game. Heading to the second half of the ball game. Swiss Mortgages signing on to a 2-point lead. Third quarter possession belongs to Taxmark Cafe. Canelio ends the forward play. And for the lead. And Dama answers with his own version of play. 2-point lead by Swiss Mortgages. Short on the play, rebound Santos. Mata to Santos, recovered by Mata. Chris Guerra, touch pass to Santos, recovered by Ogod. To Eldama, wide open play, makes them pay. 47-42 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Stanley to Sean. Let it fly from deep over shoots rebound Ogul. Forward pass. Eldama touch pass to Santos for an easy score. The lead is 7. Fourth is Morgan. What a pass by Stanley to Sean. Esguerra. Eldama. 10 seconds to shoot. Mata directing traffic. Pass to Danisa. Give and go with Mata. Mata to Santos. Santos let it fly. Yes, sir! 3-pointer is good for Mark Santos. Eight-point lead by Fish Morgan. Shot. Poked away by Eldama. Possession stays with Taxmark. Sabret. 52-44 in favor of Fish Morgan. Ogod for Tabel. Baseline inbound for Taxmark. Stanley with the ball. To Bulaon. Bulaon tournament play. Money for Bulaon. Eldama fakes. Takes the shot. Overshoots it from Santos. Put back by Santos good. Right place at the right time. Still an 8-point lead for Fishwood. Stanley. Fish daylight. Put away by Mata. Rebound. Esguerra. Forward pass to Eldama. Great hustle by Tan to stop the layup. Blocked by Josh Tan. Possession stays with Fishwood. Eldama to Santos for shot no good. Rebound Santos. Esguerra to Mata. No good. Rebound Danilo. Stolen by Mata. One shot no good. Rebound Eldama. Eldama not good in the play. Last touch on Taxmark. Timeout rep. Timeout Fish Morgan. 6 minutes and 16 remaining in the third quarter. 47-44. Sorry. 54-46 in favor of Swiss Morgan. Baseline inbound for Swiss Morgan. Esguerra against Bulaon. Esguerra fakes to Javier. Short stop no good. Rebound Esguerra. Esguerra to Eldama. Eldama screen by Javier. Pass to Esguerra. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Santos with a hit. No good. Rebound Kapusa. Kapusa to Stanley. Stanley layup short. Pops by Sean to Valerio. Unlucky. Rebound Valerio. Blocked by Mata from behind. Rebound Javier. Esguerra to Eldama. Wide open play. Yes, sir. Saan he gets fouled? Foul on. Boys, chill out, boys. It's Judy foul. Calm down. Foul is on number 40, Eldama. second personal foul, first team foul on Swiss Mortgages. Keep your cool, boys. So Sean Cabusa will go to the free throw line for 2. The lead is 11 for Swiss Mortgages. First free throw is off the iron for Sean Cabusa. 3 minutes and 25 remaining in the third quarter. 0-2 for Cabusa, but rebound by Stanley. Canillo is an opening. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2. Foul on Swiss Mortgages. Number 19, Santos. Third personal foul, second down. Sean Cabusa for Jalen Santos. Javier for Howard. 2 free throws for John Margarino. First free throw is good for Canillo. Chance for Taximart to cut it to single digits. 2-2 for Camilo, the latest line. Mata to Esguera. Esguera to Santos, baseline jumper, Monaco. Stanley to Canillo. Canillo fires from deep, number, rebound is Guerra. Last 2 minutes in the third quarter. Santos to Esguera. To Eldama, fakes. Eldama spins. Bounce it up to over for Anissa Solo. Point lead for Swiss Mortgages. Valerio, his daylight. Bring it foul! He's going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 11, Logos. Second personal foul, third personal foul on 11. Fearless drive by Valerio for an and 1. Bonus free throw is good for Jared Valerio. The lead is 10. For Swiss Mortgages, last 60 seconds. Mata to Obon. Obon. Turnaround Jay. Money for Obon. Everything is clicking for Swiss Mortgages. KM. His daylight. Traveling violation committed by KM. Extra step. Four seconds differential. 5 seconds differential between shot clock and clock. Mata. Pass. Let's get out of the floor. Last 13 seconds. Canillo to Valerio. Valerio sees an opening. Layup for the rebound, Stanley. Stanley loses the handle. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 63 for Swiss Mortgages and 51 for Taxmart Cafe.
this house. Create your forever home and your dream home.
Okay, this is the last and final quarter of our second game of our week 5 between Taxmart Cafe and Swiss Mortgages. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Swiss Mortgages. Eldama fakes pass to Ogon. Ogon pass stolen by Valerio. Recovered by Bulaon. Stanley, fearless drive, so good rebound, Esguerra. Esguerra loses that and recovered by Mata. Esguerra to Mata. Traveling violation committed by Swiss Mortgages. Possession, Taxmart Cafe. The lead is 12. Shot to Stanley. Back to shot. Stanley from the short rebound shot. Shot put by the timeout. Timeout. Swiss Mortgages. That's the first timeout. 8 minutes and 35 seconds left. 10-point lead by Swiss Mortgages.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we are
Okay, back to the ball game. Swiss Mortgages with a 10-point lead. 7 minutes and 30 in the final quarter. Eldama to Esguerra. Man-to-man defense by Taxmart. What's the call rep? Holding foul number 13. Valerio, first personal foul, first team foul. Sideline throwing for Swiss Mortgages. Mata, Podium Dama, Esguerra, to Ogon for 3, short. Last touch on Swiss Mortgages, possession Taxmart. Cabusao, cross-court pass to Tan, slips and stolen by Eldama. Eldama to Mata. Mata assists daylight. Short of the layup. Rebound Ogon. Put back by Ogon is good. Ogon is right place at the right time. Back to a 12-point game. Sean to Stanley. Stanley furious drive for Mizuto. Transition offense for Swiss Mortgages. Touch pass by Mata to Esguerra. Tan to Stanley. Stanley to Sean. Sean to Bulaon. Bulaon to Valerio. Valerio flips. Shot. Layup is good for Valerio. Stick move by Valerio. Mata drive. Never rebound Stanley. Stanley drives to the loose ball. Pass to Tan. Swiss Mortgages. Foul is on number 11. Ogod, third personal foul, first team foul. Valerio will shoot 2 free throws for Taxmart. What a hassle by Taxmart for that possession. First free throw is good for Valerio. Carrying the lead to a single digit, 9-point lead. In and out for the second one, rebound. Ogod. 9-point game in favor of the Black Shoes. Aldama fakes, pass to Ogod. Ogod is not expecting the pass. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Aldama will hit, no good. Mata saves it to Santos. Isguera to Santos. To Mata. To Ogod. Ogod giving going Mata. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 94. Stanley Cabusao. First personal foul, second team foul. Fresh 14 for Swiss Mortgages. Baseline throw in for the Black Shoes. Ogod. Turn around Jay. No good. Rebound Mata. Mata to Isguera. 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Mata, jumper. Rebound by Sean to his brother Stanley. Stanley, fearless drive. An easy goal. But the lead is not down to 7 points. 67-60 in favor of Swiss Mortgages. Isguera, one-on-one against Bulaon. Double team by Stanley. Steve is stolen by Stanley. Rebound by Chan. Chan to Stanley. Stanley loses the ball. Stolen by Santos. Mata slowing it down. He gets fouled by Cabusao. Cabusao first personal foul, third team foul. Who's calling a timeout? Who's calling a timeout? Oh, that's the last timeout of Swiss Mortgages. Swiss Mortgages out of timeout. 3 minutes exactly remaining in the last quarter. 67-60. Swiss Mortgages out of timeout. Hey, back to the ball game. Swiss Mortgages ball, 19 seconds on the shot clock. We have eclipsed the last 3 minutes of the final quarter. Isguera winning back for Swiss Mortgages to Mata. Mata to Isguera. Isguera. Illegal screen. Is the ball of a referee. Foul on number 11, Ogod. Fourth personal foul, second team foul. Warning for penalty, Swiss Mortgages. 2 minutes and 50 seconds left. Plenty of time left. Shot to Stanley. Stanley. Wild shot is good for Stanley Cabusao. Cutting the lead to 5. Mata against Valerio. Mata, poked away by Bulaon. 3 seconds inside the key. Turnover for Swiss Mortgages. Back-to-back turnovers for Swiss Mortgages. Opening the doors for Taxmart Cafe. Stanley cuts the lead to 3 for Taxmart. What a shot by Stanley. Hands in his face. Gets the better of Mark Mata. Hold on to your seats. Stanley for an and one. Free throw is good for Stanley. Cutting the lead to 2. 67-65 in favor of Chris Morgan. Isquera against Ulan. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2. Foul is on number 6, Bulaon. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. First free throw for Isquera is good. $69 is the score. 69-65. 4-point game in favor of this moment. Sean attacks the basket. He gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2. Foul is on double zero. Ogod, that's it. Ogod, first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sorry, double zero. Sorry, my bad. It's on Mata. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Mata, third personal foul.
Good foul.
First free throw is good for Santa Cruz. Cutting the lead to 3. 69-66. One out of 2 for Kabusal. Rebound, ends up to Stanley. Put up by Stanley is good. It's just a 1-point lead. 69-68 in favor of this Warriors. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Isquera to Ogo to Mata. Mata running jumper. Now gonna rebound Stanley. Stanley with the ball. Chance for Taxmart to take the lead. Stanley spins. Chris Barnes shine. Touchdown! One-point lead now by Taxmart Cafe. What a rally in the third quarter. Isquera to Ogod. Ogod let it slide from deep. Covered. Rebound. Eldama. Eldama with the ball. Blocked by the guy from behind. Rebound. Bulano. Stanley. Clearing his time. Mata to Eldama. Eldama from deep. Covered. Rebound Isquera. To Mata. Mata. Wild shot. Over. He gets fouled. So it's penalty. Foul is on number 94, penalty red. Second personal foul, penalty. 2 shots will be given to Mark Mata. Chance for Swiss Warriors to cut the lead. The lead is 3 for Red Shirts. Taxmart Cafe. First free throw is good for Mata. Two out of 2 for Mata. It's just a 1-point game. Last 62 seconds. Stanley with the ball. Sean, she's an opening. Layup is good for Santa Cruz. Last 48 seconds. The lead is 3 for Taxmart Cafe. Mata to Isquera. To Eldama. Eldama to Isquera. Isquera to Ogod. Ogod from deep. Ogod rebound Eldama. Esguerra. Esguerra looking for a teammate to Santos. Santos, short stop, no good. Foul on the floor. Who's foul rep?
6.
Foul is on number 6. Christian Bulaon, third personal foul, penalty rep, penalty. Both teams will be declared penalty. 1 second differential between game clock and shot clock. First free throw is good for Richard Esguerra. 2-point game in favor of the red shirt. One more free throw for Esguerra. No ball on the free throw. Rebound. Kabusay. Ball pass to Tan. Tan leading down the clock. Tan. Pass to Esguerra. To Stanley. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 6. Esguerra penalty. Second personal foul penalty. Both teams have the penalty. The penalty. Two free throws for Stanley Kabusay. Lead is 2. 74-72 is the score. First free throw is good for Stanley. Fish Mortgages out of timeouts. 3-point game. Second one is good for Stanley Kabusay. 4-point game. Eldama. He gets fouled. It's a 3-point attempt, so he will be shooting 3 free throws. Foul on number 0, 10. First personal foul. Penalty, but regardless. Three free throws will be given to Charles Eldama. First free throw is good for Charles. 3-point game. 73-76. Second one is good for Charles Eldama. Finally to 2. 9-point game. 9.2 seconds left. Third one is good. Timeout. Taxmark Cafe. 9.2 seconds left. $75, $76 in favor of Taxmark Cafe.
Wala na shot. Bawal. Oras.
Sideline inbound for Taxmark Cafe. Sean will inbound the ball. Pass to Joshua. Back to Sean. Sean, will be fouled. Foul is on number 6. Esguerra, third personal foul. Penalty. 6.4 seconds left. free throws for Sean Cabusan. 1 point lead by the Red Shirts, Taxmart Cafe. First free throw is good for Sean. 2 point lead by Taxmart Cafe. 6.4 seconds left. 3 more than this out of timeout. Second one is good. Sean Cabusan, 6.4 seconds. 3-point lead by Taxmart Cafe. Ogon takes that to Ogon. Pass, intercepted by Cabusan. That's the end of the tournament. Official score, 7-8 for Taxmart Cafe and 75 for Fish Mortgages. What a game. Great game, guys. What a rally by Taxmart Cafe. Never say day attitude. Last game for tonight. Lumina versus Rock Studio.